Hong Kong is a diverse, vibrant destination with plenty of attractions, culture, and amazing food. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the best places to visit in Hong Kong. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So the first place you have to visit in Hong Kong is the Peak. Get the perfect view along with some great attractions by heading up to the Peak. Victoria Peak is a hill on the western half of Hong Kong Island. You can take a tram up here or choose to hike it if you want to. Not only can you get amazing views from the top, but you can also check out the many restaurants and shops nearby. Then we have Tian Buddha. On top of a hill above a monastery stands this incredible Buddha. Climb the many steps for a closer look at this massive Buddha and then head left of the Buddha to visit the nearby tea garden. A great thing to do with families in Hong Kong is to head to Disneyland Hong Kong. The resort offers something for everyone, with plenty of rides available for younger children and for those adults who are children at heart. You can also enjoy the unique parades at this Disneyland, try some interesting snacks, and choose to stay in one of the resort hotels. For a different type of theme park, you could head to Ocean Park. Full of animals, fish, and rides, Ocean Park is a fun way to spend a day having some fun and relaxing. For a bit more culture, you should head to Wong Tai Sin Temple. Commemorating the famous monk of yore, the Wong Tai Sin Temple is a beautifully decorated and detailed religious center worth a visit whilst you're in Hong Kong. Then we have the Temple Street Night Market. Here you will find numerous sellers offering everything from souvenirs to watches, antiques to teaware. Head to the market to try some Hong Kong street food and enjoy the hustle and bustle of a night market that normally tends to run between 6 p.m. and 11. Then for a beautiful park in an urban landscape, head to the Hong Kong Park. This is the ideal place to explore, relax, and take some time out from the busy city. The park itself includes a greenhouse, museum of teaware, the Hong Kong Visual Arts Centre, and plenty of fountains and lily ponds to appreciate. You should also visit the 10,000 Buddhas Monastery. Not far from Sha Tin Station, the 10,000 Buddhas Monastery is a unique temple with over 10,000 Buddhas within its complex, hence the name. And another temple you have to visit is the Man Mo Temple. This is one of Hong Kong's oldest temples and much quieter and smaller than any of the other temples here, making it my favourite and an authentic temple in Hong Kong. Watch this video to find out how to plan a trip to Hong Kong. Then, to learn how to save money in Hong Kong, watch this video. We hope you have an incredible time and stay creative.